Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Google Calendar from your HoneyBook account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Google Calendar from HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong calendar, so you have to unlink it so that way your personal items aren't sharing onto your HoneyBook. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Google Calendar, here on the top menu, you want to click on Tools. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on Calendar. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in your HoneyBook Calendar, and off to the left, you should see your Google Calendar. You're just going to hover over the Google Calendar name, which is your email address. And as you hover over it, you're going to click on a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up right here, and you're going to see your email address. And in order to disconnect your Google Calendar, go ahead and click on disconnect. Okay, next you'll see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disconnect your integrate calendar? Go ahead and click on. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see, my Google Calendar has now been removed. So my HoneyBook is no longer going to share information with Google, and Google Calendar will no longer share information with HoneyBook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or disconnect your Google Calendar from HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.